Hello guys, today we are going to see where am I? This beautiful place and this nature with the beautiful different birds. Now we are going to watch in this video how different birds are there, how different I have been watched it. Now we are going to home back, but now whichever I can find I will just show you guys. Whichever I can see is very far, and when I came there is a small bird. If you guys can see there, it will be okay. Now I can't show you guys in the camera, I think so you guys can see this bird. This bird is so beautiful. Wow, it's so beautiful, guys. So now let's see every bird. I'll show whichever it is near to me, and it's available to camera to see that, so that you guys can see. So you can't see far away birds, so see the nature. There are so many plants are there. This side one ground type of thing is there, and that road is there. Around us full road only. The center of that something muddy something was there. We stopped our vehicle there and came here to just walk and see every nature. There and all it is foggy. See guys, now it is 8 p.m. I think so. Let me check. Now 7:50 is the time. It is still foggy there and all. You see here pigeons are sitting. Now if you see, my brother, my father, we three came to come. We thought we are going in that way in the road. That time we saw something is there. I think we will go and check whatever it is. Let us see like that. So we came first day. This is our third time to come here because that much beautiful. This is called Varthur River. Means that Varthur Lake. It is Varthur Lake. If you know Varthur Lake, please come and see this. It is a beautiful place. Around us full nature, but around the nature there are roads. Nature here, so many eagles will be. Now and all eagles will be more or less, right? Now we saw so many eagles. Guys, if you know, comment this question. See guys, if you guys know that two types of eagles are there. One head white and full brown body, and one more type is full body and head dark brown. This both I learned today in this nature place. This, if you guys know, comment and tell me, and comment here. This is a beautiful place, guys. If you know Varthur Lake, please come. Before first day when we came here, the water was many. Means so much of water place was there. So the ducks was there. Many ducks were there. Now 2-3 ducks are there because of the all the plants grown in the water, but only some percent of their water is there. We went there more front there under no water, only land. Full water was dissolved, so it was very, and we ate one fruit. I'll show you now. If you can see that fruit now that we were eating and going, it is so tasty, guys. So here only less trees are there. My son is asking he wanted, but that side it was many. Here only one small plant was there. We ate, but still he got his favorite food, so he's asking many. So guys, if you really want to visit this, we will the Varthur lake. If you know, please come and check here a beautiful nature. If you come very late from some days, an apartment is coming here, so the people will spoil the place. If you how much soon you can come, guys, you come here. This is a beautiful nature. When I was coming first day, all was bringing the cameras, stethoscope to see this nature. Took cameras, they took photos in that. This much big cameras. It was very big cameras. I never saw that much big camera. I'll show you where is my vehicle. It is so far. We went very far. I'll show you my vehicle when I go. Let's see. So guys, I decided to show you an eagle sitting here far away on that side. See guys, that eagle. I will show you properly. Wait guys. That is the eagle. Here so many eagles are there. I showed you one eagle and pigeon and one small bird, right guys? Now all the birds went off because some birds are there. In morning it will come. When we came, excuse me, I have a cold and cough. That time it was there, but now the sun came, so all the birds went off. We saw one. I told you one fruit, right? See that red fruit is that one. Is the fruit which my brother like and even I like to eat them. That red fruit. I don't know in the Telugu what. In Telugu I know what to tell, but in I don't know in the English, so I'll tell in Telugu. Please check in Google and understand in your language, whichever it is. In the Telugu they will call as konkai. I don't know in English, so please check in Google what is meaning of konkai. In English it's tell, so they will in Google it will come. It is so tasty fruit. If you have eaten that fruit, please comment in the comment section, comment box, that you have ate this and keep fun. And this is our nature. My vehicle will be so far away. Here is the kingfisher. Wow, beautiful. In this it's not visible. It is blue in color. Yeah, because in this now sun came, That's why it's not visible in the camera. Okay, I'll show you my vehicle, guys.